Hello students, after completion of hooks used in the middle, आज हम करेंगे next exercises of this topic from the chapter number 12, N or F hook or V hook. These are the exercises 90, 91 and 92. Let's start with exercise number 90 on the speed of 70 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Gentlemen, kindly let me have your price for printing 100 copies of the enclosed circular. I should prefer a better grade of paper provided the cost is not too high. I should be glad if you would telephone your price to us as we are in a hurry. Your very truly. Gentlemen, we are sorry to learn that two of the books we recently sent to you were faulty. Apparently, they were either printed or bound incorrectly. If you will kindly return them to us, we can obtain credit for them ourselves. In the meantime, we are mailing you our credit memorandum for the cost of the books plus the cost of mailing them to us. Very truly yours. Next is exercise number 91 on the speed of 70 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Stenography is a 100% subject. By that I mean that you must achieve perfect accuracy if you are to be of use in a business office. You must remember that a businessman does not want a typist who can type his correspondence with only a few errors. You must be able to give him only perfect work, perfectly typed and properly arranged. If you wish to make sure that you will advance in your business career, you should strive to develop the habit of accuracy from the beginning of your training. Next is exercise number 92 on the speed of 70 words per minute. Be ready. Start. We are planning a special sale of house furnishings during October, and we have decided to keep the store open until 9 o'clock next Friday evening so that husband and wife may visit the store together. You will thus be able to inspect the merchandise we are offering before the opening of the sale on Monday. Everything in this sale is being sold at a very low margin of profit. There are many splendid pieces which will be sold at bargain prices. We are sure you will find many articles which you have always wanted to buy but which have been too dear. By spending very little, you can furnish several rooms or refurnish your entire house. We can easily make arrangements to finance your purchases on a partial payment plan if you prefer. So these are the next 3 exercises of chapter number 12. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. Share, drop a like, subscribe the channel.